What's up, guys? It's your boy Iro. Last week was a very crazy week on GBPUSD. Cut 3 setups, 1 stop loss, 2 take profits. And in this video, we are going to be taking a look at the forecast for this week. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So we're starting up this analysis with the DXY. So on the DXY, we can see that we have a few supply zones here that are waiting to be either mitigated or broken, depending on what the market decides to do. Well, still looking forward to what the market decides to do. As you can see here, price move upwards, created a higher low, then a higher high, broke the higher low here, as you can see, created a new low, broke the low, created another low, and broke the low, created another low, which gives us an indication that the price is in a downtrend at the moment. So without further ado, let's get down to the 4 hours time frame and then see what's going on there. So on the 4 hours time frame, there's not too much going on apart from price mitigating the demand zone that I pointed out last week. The price will mitigate and then go back from there, which, as you can see, throughout the week, price has been in a small time frame uptrend. And for this week, I look forward to price mitigating the supply zone, then getting an entry confirmation for me to go downwards. Or price can also as well break this supply zone into this other supply zone and then give me an entry downwards, or price can break that supply zone into this supply zone before it gives me an entry downwards, or the market being a probability, it's in a probability, can also decide to break through this place and then move upwards. So whichever one price it does, my bias is always changing along with whatever the market is doing. So whatever the market does, we are always there to catch the moves. Now, moving on to GBPUSD on the daily time frame. GBPUSD on the daily time frame, we have an uptrend here. Price moved downwards, created a new high, then a lower low, broke the low, broke the high, created another high, and now it's creating another high. So I can fairly say that price is in an uptrend at the moment. So price has been in a downtrend in the previous week, as we can see here, and although I expected it to come into this demand zone sooner than it is, it still hasn't gotten to this demand zone here, which is a little bit tricky because we also have a demand zone on the 4 hours time frame, which I don't know what price is going to do, but all the same, I am waiting for a confirmation to enter from this point in the market upwards. But if price decides not to give me a confirmation and then breaks the supply zone into this one, I would also wait for a confirmation to enter on this demand zone. So looking at the 1 hour, as we can see here, I have a trend line going downwards. Looking at the 1 hour, I would probably wait for price to break this 1 hour trend line before I can get a confirmation to enter my trade upwards. If price doesn't do that, or probably gives me a confirmation, if price gives me another confirmation on the smaller time frame, probably the 15 minutes time frame, I might also take the buy. But if price doesn't do that, then well, it's fine. I can just wait for this break and then take the price upwards, which will be safer for me to do. But then if price decides to break into this demand zone, I can always wait for another setup confirmation to take place before I take my buy into the market. So that's the end of today's video, guys. See you in the next video. Bye.